Hey guys, this is a little update of the Bronco. I do apologize if there's a lot of wind. It's kind of a windy day, but I'm just showing you an update on the exhaust. I have gotten a new exhaust system on this. Not only that, I got a new exhaust system on it, I also got a little present for myself. Get under. Yep, I have putting in electric cutouts. And I tell you something, I was just driving around with it. God damn, it's like freaking loud as hell. But I love it though. So I'm gonna start it up and see how you guys like it. I went with instead of 40 series, the Flowmaster 40 series that I had before, I decided to switch it and put in the 50 series Delta Flow. So here's what it sounds. It's a little quiet. It's all right. And for the cutouts, I have placed a switch right here. You look from afar, it looks factory almost. But here's what it sounds with it open. I also got new headers. I didn't stick with Flowmasters, Flowtech. Within a year, they went bad on me, so I decided to go and switch with hooker headers. And hear what it sounds like when it's closed. Back to normal. Yep. The motor's not ticking, because that's what I was having problems with those headers, was that they were ticking. Someone's hauling ass. Alright, there goes the new headers. Right there, hooker headers. Yep. If you want to see more videos, let me know. Next thing that I need to do is the paint, because it's all faded and everything, and yeah. And redoing the interior. I'm gonna get leather seats. I'm probably gonna pull it out of Eddie Brower Ford Explorer. Redo the carpet. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna leave everything tan. Trying to make it look somewhat original. Man. But yeah, there's more to come. Just give me a like. Any questions, put it down in the comments. Yeah. Thank you for watching.